Hello friends, welcome to Pattathakal English Academy and Banashankari English Academy. PUC second year, the fifth unit, a Sunday morning. 2 mark questions ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು 2025-26ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ರಿವೈಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಿಂದ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ನಂಬರ್ 1, ನೇಮ್ any two Spanish writers mentioned by Don Gonzalo. Answer: Espronceda and Zorilla. Number 2, in a sunny morning, how old is Don Gonzalo? Which is his native place? Answer: Don Gonzalo is 70 years old. His native place is Valencia. Number 3, to whom do the words the gallant lover and the silver maiden refer to respectively? Answer: gallant lover refers to Don Gonzalo. Silver maiden refers to Donna Lara. Number 4, where did Gonzalo meet Zorilla? How old was he when he went there for the first time? How old was he andre Gonzalo. When he went there andre Gonzalo. Gonzalo met Zorilla in America. He first went there when he was 6 years old. Number 5, name the king and queen mentioned by Gonzalo while referring to Columbus. King Ferdinand, Queen Isabella, Spain. Number 6, mention the name of the villa near Valencia. Who lived in it? Answer: the villa is Maricela. Who lived there ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Donna Lara lived in it when she was young ಅಂತಂದ. 7th question, name any two poet friends mentioned by Don Gonzalo. Answer: Zorilla, Espronceda. Last question, name the assistants of Donna Lara and Don Gonzalo who appear in A Sunny Morning. Petra, the assistant of Donna Lara. Juanito, the assistant of Don Gonzalo. ಮುಂದಿನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.